Commence activation.
The question of the day is this jacket that I'm wearing, the HELITE Airbag Adventure Jacket, the safest motorcycle jacket in the world? Spoiler alert, yes it is. I'll show you. Alright, so what I have here is quite possibly the safest motorcycle jacket in the world. So I have to thank HELITE for sending this to me. I have a relationship with HELITE now, so if you want to be as safe as possible on a motorcycle, I highly recommend their products. I haven't even tried it on yet. I'm telling you, I've seen countless videos online, not just reviews, but actual real world scenarios of people getting in, like, you know, pretty nasty accidents and walking away unscathed because of the airbag technology that HELITE has mastered. So thank you, HELITE, for sending this to me. HELITE has given me a promo code so you guys can get a discount on your HELITE products. So if you also want to be as safe as possible while doing incredibly dangerous things, use that link or use that promo code. Alright guys, so I'm so excited to get into this. Here we go. HELITE Adventure Jacket. Woo! Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Quality gear. Alright, got some cartridges here. This is what fills up the airbag. It's awesome. It's heavy duty. It's got a thermal liner in it, which you can take out, according to what I've read. And it's got a bunch of vents, so it's not going to be like the coolest thing you could wear in the summer, but you can remove the thermal lining and open up all the vents. Whew, this is awesome. Check it out. I'll just show you real quick. Wow. All the details seem very well made. Like I don't even see any stray fibers coming off, which is kind of weird. So this is the tether here. Connect this to your bike, and with 60 pounds of pressure, it will detach and it will open up that cartridge and it will fill up the airbag. First step is to take off the thermal liner. I'm probably not going to use that until maybe the Rockies. This is my jacket for the Trans-America Trail, by the way, and most likely for everything I do after that as well. So I'll be going to South America. After that, riding on down. Cool. So far it's pretty easy to take out this liner. Seems like it, anyway. Got a zipper along the inside there, and then just got some buttons to hold the sleeves in place. Oh, also these things, I guess there's another button. Also these things have CE level 2 back protectors. So in addition to the airbag, like the airbag, I mean, I would imagine would be more than enough, but it's also got the CE level 2 up in there. Oh, I got this white button. There's a white button and a black button on each side, apparently. Gotta do them both. Real world unboxing and testing, my friends. Oh yes, it's a good fit. I'm glad I didn't get a large, extra large. It's good. They said to get a size up from what you normally wear. My old motorcycle jacket is a large. This is an extra large. So far it fits perfectly. A little we got double zippers here. A zipper and a snap. It appears. Alright. I'm gonna demo this later too, by the way. So I believe the cartridge is in here. Yep. Cartridge is in there. This is a perfect fit. I'm really happy about this. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, it feels substantial. Feels like really solid. And it has armor in the elbows and shoulders. And I've actually ordered some upgraded armor. I ordered some CE level 2 armor for those as well. So anyway, whoosh, you pull this thing, puffs up, and it protects your collarbone. That's, I believe, the most frequent fracture that motorcyclists get. You easily get tossed over, you throw your hands down, and then your momentum forces you to keep going forward, and then you smack your shoulders and your face into the ground. So the most common fracture is, from what I've seen and been told, is the collarbone. So this protects the collarbone. It's gonna immobilize your neck to a degree, you know, not completely, but it puffs up around the neck and it locks your helmet in place so your head doesn't go bobbling around as you're tumbling across the asphalt or the dirt. And it protects your vital organs, and it protects your spine. And hopefully you can see it goes down kind of far, so it actually like protects around your pelvis too, from what I've seen. So on, you know, various videos. I spend countless hours researching the gear that I get, so I guess I'll do a little turnaround for you so you can see what it looks like. But overall, love the fit. Super glad I got the extra large. I'll explore all these vents and stuff later. What is this, a vent? Yeah, that's a vent there. And this is a vent here or a pocket? Yeah, we have a pocket here. And I do believe the pockets down here are waterproof. I don't even get in there. Oh, cool. Flap and then a zipper. Cool. Yeah, it says waterproof. Cool. So that's gonna be super handy. And the reason I wanted this instead of the vest that they sell, which is, it also offers just as much protection, from what I can tell. The reason I got this instead of that was because I don't want to cover up the jacket, cover up the pockets on my jacket. So if I were to get a different jacket and get a vest over that, I just don't want to cover up my pockets. I want to be able to easily access stuff. I need easy access for stuff, especially my phone, camera batteries, any type of sensitive items that I need to keep dry and on my person. I want easy access to it. So I'm glad I have that. So 2 waterproof pockets, this pocket, cartridge here. This is a vent too, I believe. Yeah, awesome, awesome. There's gonna be a lot of airflow there. Let's see. And then, of course, a vent on this side too. Looks like there's straps that I can use to tighten it as well. So yeah, I'm warm right now. I think it's like maybe 80 degrees out, and I could sit in this thing for a while, no problem. I mean, once I'm moving, I would be feeling air rush in through these vents, but right now it's not too bad at all, and I'm completely still. Definitely wouldn't want to have the thermal in right now. Enough of me rambling. I'm going to cut to the demo sequence. I'm going to get some help, and I'm going to put on my helmet so we can kind of see how it fits around the helmet. And I'm going to have my mom pull the cord, and we'll see how this thing flares up in real life. We are about to do a demonstration of the HELITE adventure jacket with the airbag technology integrated. So this is my team, my mom and my dad, and yeah, my mom is standing by for the command. All right, let's do this. Commence activation. Woo! Cool. That feels
Supportive.
Really solid.
Good.
Woo! Woo!
Wow.
Cool. That feels
Supportive.
really solid.
Good.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Good. Want to try to hit me?
Sure. Pretty resilient, you know? Pretty strong in there, yeah.
Yeah, it feels super.
Really firm.
Feels super protected.
Yeah. How's it feel around your neck?
Great. Like
Yeah.
it's awesome.
Good.
So much more protected. Crazy.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And then it deflates automatically.
Okay.
So I think it takes a few minutes, but it just slowly deflates. So, and then
cool. So that's no muss, no fuss.
yeah, then you can just change out the cartridge and be
Cool.
ready for another one. Cool.
Great.
Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. It's fun.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. There's a promo code if you guys want to get one for yourself. If you want to be safe as possible out on the road doing one of the most dangerous things possible. All right. Take care.